With what's going on in today's world, you can't meet up as a sales group and do the rah-rahs like you used to maybe, or you're stuck in your home office or whatever that looks like. We need to adapt and learn how to actually train and still keep the fire under our sales teams. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to actually do that successfully. What are some good tips on motivating my sales team, getting them fired up, getting our business moving so that we don't just lose all this influence over our salespeople? Because what kept your sales culture yesterday may not be the same method you can use today. So for more videos and content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have tons of free videos and access to help train you guys, but let's dive into the video. First thing is reporting. As now that you're on virtual, you're on your computer more, you're on Zoom or whatever platform you're using, reporting is a lot easier. We actually have the time and energy we can spend getting the proper numbers. And if in our industry, it's doors knocked, contacts made, closed deals, collected revenue, built job, whatever that is. And if I'm not every single day, it doesn't take long to say, hey, we have a 15-minute morning call and we have a 15-minute evening call after work. And I want to know what you're going to do today, and I want to know what you did today at the evening call, and I have accountability to the exact numbers. So number 2 is accountability. If I can keep my people more accountable because I'm doing everything virtual, it's not that hard. When everything's in person, I'm with this guy, then I'm with that guy, then I'm with those guys, then we're all a team. And a lot of times we get so busy and so in the chaos of day to day that we can't actually keep our people accountable like we should be. Now that I'm sitting at my desk a lot more and I'm home and I'm in an office and I'm behind a computer, what an opportunity to say, I'm going to look at every single one of these numbers every single morning and every single night, and we are going to report this and keep accountability to our sales team. The third one is, it's really simple. You've got a coach, a coaching method. Now, I've seen a lot of sales leaders be managers, but not so much mentors or coaches to their people. They just happen to be a good sales performer, so they got put into management, but they never actually took the time to develop their coaching ability, their ability to pull the greatness, the prey drive, the best out of an individual. Zoom is an amazing, or virtual training is an amazing platform to coach the individual. It's an opportunity to spend some one-on-one time, spend some intimate, no distraction time to say, what are your goals? What are your outcomes? What are your obstacles? What are we really achieving, and why are we going after that? And playing that mentor and coach and support system for your people, because you now have the ability to spend some one-on-one and some actual time coaching your people. It's a great opportunity. And then the last one is digital platforms. So online virtual training like Door-to-Door University, U of Pest, U of Solar, U of Alarms, like all the content that we provide or other people provide, but having some kind of training system that people can access on their phone or access at any time, because they might be bored scrolling through social media. As a leader, as an owner, as a trainer, one thing that you need to be doing is helping drive their attention to your digital assets, instead of getting sucked into the vortex of, funny cat video, oh, another COVID, another coronavirus video, like all this stuff and the noise that social media and the news is providing. We want to get away from that. We want to go into, hey, how do I give you relevant, productive content to be watching consistently and tracking and reporting that? So these are just some basic tips to virtually train. So my 2 cents would be, your meeting time and your meeting. This is the last thing I want to add to this. If I'm running a sales meeting in person, I have a workflow, I have a meeting agenda. I know I'm going to get numbers. I have music, I have a DJ, I have, my certain schedule to that meeting. If I'm going to do it virtually, I'm not going to lower my standard. I'm not going to lower the schedule. I'm going to say, we're going to stick to the same schedule. I have roles and responsibilities. Hey, Timmy, you're up. I want you to give us our announcements. Hey, John, go over competitions. Hey, Steve, go over our Champions Club or whatever, incentive we're going over. And I still have it outlined. I still follow a flow. I don't let it go on for 3 hours. I have a standard time limit and I'm walking through this as if I was in person and keeping the standard of excellence and not letting it get loosey-goosey. If a dude shows up late, I have responsibility to say, why were you late to the meeting? I call him out. If a guy's not there, I'm not like, oh, well, Tommy's not on this call. Like, make sure that you hold accountability and you actually take them serious so that your people keep them serious. Because if you're loosey-goosey with your virtual training, your people will then be loosey-goosey with the result. Like I said, we have tons of free videos and free access. Subscribe to the channel today. We're here to help you out in your sales and leadership performance. And yeah, see you on the next video.